Oh my god. Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Today we're making polka dot bath bombs. They are so much fun and really easy to make. They are cute on the outside and a blast in the tub. Later, I'm going to show you a really cute way to wrap these bath bombs. To get the bright colors, I use these colorants, which will be linked in the description. First up are the dots. Divide the mix for multiple colors. The easiest way to do that is on a scale. Mix ingredients together, then mix everything together with your hands. Mix one small batch together at a time, even if you're making white, so the mix doesn't dry while making dots. You'll need a small circle plunger cutter. Fill it with mix, then pack it on a flat surface. Dry the dots at least 12 hours. It's been about 12 hours since I made the dots, so now we're making the bath bomb mix. It's the same recipe for the white, just add 1/8 cup of SLSA. Adding SLSA will slow reactions in the water. Notice how the white slowly lathers while the colors bubble. Quick tip: dust loose powder off the dots. This reduces random color streaks in the white. Now we're ready to mold. I've got my white mix, colored mix, and dots. I'll be using a 3-inch stainless steel mold. Place dots wherever you want. Use the white mix to hold them in place. Cover the entire exterior of the mold with dots and/or white mix. You can add more white or colorful mix in the center. Pack the mix, then place loose mix on top. Use any color for the bottom. I made some all one color, and for others like this one, I nestled different colors in one another, like a Russian nesting doll. Once full, pack the mix, then place loose mix on top. Smush the two sides together. Make sure they meet all the way around. Then tap both sides to release the bomb. Dry the bomb 24 hours. I made some really cute tags with printed scrapbook paper. Polka dots seemed appropriate. To make the tags, I use this tag puncher. It makes 1.5 to 2.5 inch tags. I'm using crepe paper. Just be aware of the different types. The green was really soft, but the blue was hard and it actually dented the bomb. Place the bomb in the center. Gather material around it and pull it to the top. If you have a short edge, tuck it behind longer paper. Keep pulling the material to the top to make the bottom as tight as possible. Pinch the base and secure it with a rubber band. Choose a metallic cord that matches the tag. Tie a knot on top of the tag, then tie it around the base. I tied it once more to the front because I like the way the cord looks. The pictures don't do any favors. They looked much cuter in person. For more packaging ideas, click the icon. These bath bombs are so much fun in the tub. The color explosions are amazing. You know, you can make them for anyone, girl or boy, old or young, and you can get really creative with the colors. Plus, you can make them for any holiday. For example, red and green dots for Christmas. Thanks for joining me today. Subscribe now for more creative bath inspiration and fun DIY projects. Check out the description for helpful tips and the supply list at the bottom.